Namaste. Welcome to the Bharatiya Defense Reporter. Rekha Saxena, who heads the National Commission of Women (NCW), has asked the makers of Gunjan Saxena, the Kargil girl, to discontinue the screening of Netflix movie. She stated that they should apologize for showing IAF in the negative light, especially when it's not true. Former IAF officer Gunjan Saxena, whose life story has been made into a Netflix feature film, recently said that she was lucky to have the support of commanding officers and supervisors in the Indian Air Force. Saxena's response came after the Indian Air Force wrote a letter to the censor board objecting to its undue negative portrayal in the movie Gunjan Saxena, the Kargil girl, which released on Netflix on Wednesday. Reacting to Saxena's comment, Rekha tweeted, "If this is so, the filmmaker must apologize and discontinue the screening. Why showing something which is portraying our own forces in bad light, especially when it's not true?" According to a senior official, the letter mentioned concerns related to the movie's portrayal of gender bias as an institutional work culture at the IAF. In a statement, Saxena, who became the first woman pilot to take part in the 1999 Kargil War, said there are different kinds of individuals who make up the environment in an organization. Whenever you are in any kind of environment, there are different kinds of individuals that make up the environment. So when there is a major change happening, some of these individuals are ready to accept this change more rapidly than the others, and some take more time to adjust to this change. What is really of importance here is, even though it took time for some individuals to change, those individuals did change. It did happen in a very positive and right direction, she said in a statement.